Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Crypto.com app to Crypto.com on-chain step by step. So the tutorial today is how to connect Crypto.com to Crypto.com on-chain. First, open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu button in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Onchain or DeFi wallet, depending on how it appears in your app. This is the option used to connect your Crypto.com account to the Onchain wallet. If you already have the Crypto.com Onchain app installed, the app will prompt you to connect the two accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. If you don't have the Crypto.com Onchain app yet, you'll be prompted to download it first. Install the app, open it, and then return to the Crypto.com app to complete the connection. During the setup, you'll be asked to approve the connection and may need to complete a security verification, such as entering a code or confirming via email. Once the connection is approved, your Crypto.com app and Crypto.com on-chain wallet will be linked. This allows you to easily move funds between the app and the on-chain wallet and interact with on-chain features. And that's it. Your Crypto.com account is now connected to Crypto.com on-chain. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Crypto.com walkthroughs, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.